Welcome to Geometry Release question number 49 for the CST questions. It says that Leah made two candles in the shape of right rectangular prisms. The first candle is 15 centimeters high, 8 centimeters long, and 8 centimeters wide. So let's start drawing a picture with that. It's 15 centimeters high, they're rectangular prisms. Essentially that means they're boxes in more layman's terms, I suppose you could say. So here's a rectangular prism. This is a candle, so here's your little candle wick. This is 15 centimeters high, 8 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide. Okay, so there's one candle, or first candle. The second candle is 5 centimeters higher, but has the same length and width. Well, that's pretty easy, I think, to calculate what the new height would be. If it's 5 centimeters higher, you're going to have 20 for the height of that new candle. This is 20 centimeters, and this would be still 8 and 8. So here's your new candle, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters. So I meant to draw these being the same. It looks like this might have got a little bit bigger actually, but assume that these have the same length and width, but the height is just 5 centimeters higher. So how much additional wax was needed to make the taller candle? There's a couple ways I could approach this problem that I'm seeing. You could take the volume of this one and subtract the volume of this one, or I could just consider that this part right here is the additional part. So I think this is probably the easier way to do this. What's the volume of this green chopped off part here? This would be 5 centimeters right here. This would be 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters right here. So we need to find the volume basically of this part, the additional part. So the volume of that part, the volume of the additional wax. Additional wax, there we go. Would be length times width times height. It's the same thing as capital B times H. I know that's how we've learned the formula, but the formula with capital B times H, the capital B stands for the area of the base, which is the same as length times width. And so this would be 8 times 8 times 5. 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 times 5, that's going to be 320. So 320 centimeters cubed, that would be the area, or not the area, but the volume of this part right here, this additional part. That is choice A for number 49.